Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're here today with the Bun Baker Nectre 550, called our Bun Baker 850. We've got 300 pounds of soapstone adorning the sides, the top, and the bottom. And we're going to work today with our soapstone stovetop grill set. And something brand new we're introducing to the market, and which really keeps the Bun Baker ahead of the rest. Here's the unit itself. We've got soapstone legs on it, 3 of them, and you can have different sizes and heights. So we can lower it closer to the flame or raise it. So let's get going. I'm going to remove my top, which is on a gravity system. The way we hold it on there, our sides are all linked together. I'm going to take my top off before I start my fire. So I'll be right back. While my fire is kicking up, I want to explain a little bit about what I'll be cooking on our new soapstone broil kit that you'll see shortly. This piece of meat is called the picanha, also called the top sirloin, also called the sirloin cap. Notice the thickness of the fat area, and it's taken from the red area of the beef. Yeah. So it's very, very good. The fat will drip into the meat and cause a flavor that is unbelievable. You won't be able to stop eating it. So I'm going to cut this up, and we're going to get our kit ready as soon as the fire's up to heat, and then we're going to cook some picanha. Okay, so now the real fun begins. So I'm going to take my hot plate lifting tool and take my hot plate disc off. And really only the Bun Baker, the Nectre N550 and 350 offer these plates to be lifted off, so you can have direct access to load wood in your fire or to use it as we're going to today. So let me show you something. The Soapstone broiling kit. And I've cut my picanha to about 1/2 inch thicknesses, as you can see. Beautiful marbling in this meat. And what we're going to do is then put this right onto these. I cracked my door a little bit. Check that out. So now I'm getting beautiful flame, searing the steak just perfectly. So what a lot of fun. We're ready to give these guys a little flip. You see how they're cooking so nicely. The fat is becoming caramelized. And got my beautiful, beautiful Jim Beam tongs, official.